Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video, guys. It looks like Vuyokazi was really serious when she said she is really done with her polygamous baby daddy and boyfriend Mpumelelo Mselic. You guys, now very famous Facebook and YouTube blogger Lady Lundi on Facebook and Umgozi Entertainment here on YouTube broke the exclusive that Vuyokazi is really free from Mpumelelo, you guys, and is being lobola allegedly today by his childhood boyfriend Xolani, you guys, who is a chef and currently working abroad. Allegedly, Xolani's uncles were sent by him to Vuyokazi's family for her hand rather in marriage, and today it was allegedly amalobolo. Now, though Xolani was not in the country, he was virtually there as he posted videos and pictures, of course, of the beautiful Makoti Vuyokazi. And in one picture, Vuyokazi is wearing a duke on his shoulder, which is written becoming Mrs. S, you guys. And of course, people have noted that wherever Mpumelelo Mselic is, he is probably dying of jealousy, seeing that Vuyokazi is finally free from him, you guys, and that she has finally found love and true marriage. Anyways, you guys, congratulations to Vuyokazi and Xolani. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video. I will definitely be seeing you on my next one. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. Bye.